Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Chrome permanently. If your browser keeps switching to Yahoo when you search, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to get rid of it. Let's get started. Section 1. Check and remove suspicious extension. The first step is to check for any suspicious extension that might be causing this. Open Chrome, click the three dot in the top right corner. Go to Extensions. Look through the list and remove any extension you don't recognize or don't use. Just remove. Sometimes extension can change your search settings without even realizing it, so make sure you remove anything suspicious. Section 2. Reset Chrome search engine settings. Next, we will reset Chrome search engine to Google or whichever search engine you prefer. Click the three dot in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down, click Search Engine on the left. Under Search Engine used in the address bar, choose Google or your preferred search engine. By doing this, Chrome will stop using Yahoo as the default search engine. Section 3. Clear browser data. Sometimes the cache file or cookies stored in your browser that can cause Yahoo search to keep coming back. So let's clear your browser data. Click the three dot in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down and click Privacy and Security on the left. Click Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time from the drop-down and check cookies and other site data and cache images and files. Click Clear Data. This will remove any stored data that might be facing Yahoo search to appear. Section 4. Reset Chrome settings to default. If you are still seeing Yahoo search, let's reset Chrome to see its default settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click Reset Setting on the left. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then click Reset Settings to confirm. This will remove any unwanted changes to Chrome, including Yahoo search, and put everything back to default. Section 5. Check for malware and adware. Sometimes malware or adware can face your browser to use Yahoo search. It is a good idea to run and malware can scan your computer. Use Windows Defender or any trusted antivirus software to run a full scan. Remove any malware and unwanted program that might be controlling your search settings. Once the malware is gone, your browser stops switching to Yahoo search. Section 6. Uninstall suspicious program. Finally, let's check if any suspicious program are installed on your computer. Press Windows plus R, type Control, and press Enter to open Control panel. And uninstall a program. Look for any program that you don't recognize or seem suspicious. And click Uninstall. This program might be affecting your browser, so it's important to remove them. Now you know how to permanently remove Yahoo search from Chrome. If this video helped you, leave a comment and let me know which step worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.